enganzi ihanga Robena Nabanja okushaba abakazi okongera okukunda ihanga n'obwabira ariko bwabugana abakazi abamazire ebiro bishatu omukutendekwa n'ekitongore kya Forward omu district ya Kakomero.
So loving our motherland is not optional. Once you are patriotic, you will love your job and feel proud to serve your people. I feel proud to serve my people. I'm telling you because, my dear Patricia, we have never met as such. But we have a big role to play as leaders.
Nabanja ayongire yagira ngo gavumenti etireho obusinge hamwe n'ebyo kwerinda ebirukumara okutahentunguka.
You cannot attain socio-economic transformation without security. It is on this note that I want to thank the President. He has given us an enabling environment. We the people of Kakumiro. Hantaru akurara mungi obunyasa hantaru wano. Akurara mungi obunyasa aliko mukono.
We Patricia munabe babeha orukurre ekitongore kya Forward tugambireho nawe.
And so since we were born, we have been building the capacities of women in leadership so that you're able to gain the confidence, you have the skills, and once you get into leadership, you're able to front women's issues.
Yajirangu ekibineti karuga ombachara ababeire nibakora constitution rukumo rwenda cyenda nena na cyenda n'etano bagira ngukatwatanise turebe ngo abakazi barugenyima bayegesibwa bazo mubebembizi
okutendekwa oku kugenderiro kongera amani omukwejombera omubyobutegeki obwe barukwegesa okubashemerire kuronda karuru hatari mukwebaganisamo. Omuganda Bishop w'obureberezo bwa Kigezi Right Reverend Gada Kanjona yahabura abakristayo kurekeraho kushisha sente baba nibenda kutungura amaka gabo hamwe n'ebyanga byabo.
Kana kumina existing sababu ya gamba
okugamba ebi Bishop n'obuyaba yebembire omukoro gwo kutaha ntebe akidikon wa Kantaro Musya Christopher Masheja.
Tulyo munsi y'abantu benshi bari kurunda biri kutwara sente tayine mulimo konkayine smartphone konkatine mulimo nasiba na yakura ukweshora yagwire kota kiteraga abakaza bamubanye mamisho bari bahasi kota kiteraga ebirite kusiba abinde simu ndibakoreraho sente ndibakoreraho programs kokiwe niwe ruhanda yahiko burinzi no mulimo gushemerwa konka no mulimo guri sacrificial no mulimo muhango letenge babaza ruhanga no mulimo guhango guletenge vision no kuranga hare no mulimo muhango guletenge commitment.
Aha mukoro nugwo gumwe haba hariho munyishengero wa Rukiga kandi yayoreka bimwe ebi gavumenti eriyo netebekanisa omucanga eki
kwamwe nakutaka hwire baraza kwabizire twarabya mu turabizemu lists tuza kwatura turija hasi kugira ngo buri umwe wena yatunga amashanyarazi agizoba
ida kukurasa okukurisa akidikono witu no mucara wawe tubasimbira ntanga okubashyira izobere tuyabahurire obwebembezi burgaga hanga ndakira kucibagambira elizoba hayinushitabira ariko ina kuba Bishop yawe nyicyakari
Gasha kwa Thomas Tumwebaze na Job Namanya.